4:35. That's right, 4:35 in the morning. Why am I up at 4:35 in the morning? Because Sean signed us up to do a charity walk, run, bike. Woo woo, what fun! Let's go! Before there's any running to be done, we've got to get a coffee. That's right, 7-Eleven coffee, 4:30 in the morning, bosh. Quite pretty at 5 o'clock in the morning. Very nice. Five o'clock, arrived at Sapan Hin with all the other lovely people. Look, everyone's in yellow, which is nice. Just got to find Sean now. And it's good to go. 3 kilometers. Let's do it. Woohoo! Hey, if you need some energy for your run, I found a charging point. First joke of the day. What I don't understand is there's people running already. I mean, surely you'd hold your energy back. We've got 3K to do soon. What are you doing, you nutters? Serious racers. Oh, all right, let's go find Sean. Tell you what, it's going to be hard to find Sean. Everyone's in the same colour. Wow, is he? Well, if you wanted to know where all the bananas are, they're here. A lot of bananas. Doing it, doing it. I found Sean. Sean's here. Morning, mate.
Way too much energy for 5 AM, man.
Come on! Look at them all. They're going for it. It's pretty nice. Watching the sun come up just before we start a 3K fun run. It's beautiful. Wow.
จังหวัดภูเก็ตได้ตระหนักถึงปัญหาเหล่านี้จึงได้จัดงานแสงนำใจไทยทั้งชาติเดินวิ่งป้องกันอัมพาตครั้งที่ 9 เฉลิมพระเกียรติขึ้น
Look at these happy faces, ready for their 9-kilometer run.
No, we said 15, right?
We're doing 15K?
Yeah, you're going to do 14 and I'll do 1. Combine it together, 15.
Oh, good. That's why you're an accountant. Well done. You ready, Lucas? Squeezed right to the front in the media. Look at this. I'm like a media guy. But they're all in the way. They're all taking pictures. I don't know who these people are. It's a media skirmish. Just found out, I thought we were doing 3 kilometers. Sean, who's running off in front of me, has decided we're doing 5 kilometers. That's right. 5 kilometers. I hate him. They're all facing the wrong way, look. Oh, he looks serious at the front. Where's your parents? Are you running by yourself? Oh, 3, 2, let's go! Go! Have it! Have it! I like this pace. Wow, it's nice, isn't it? I've lost already! Not much running happening. He's already run off. He's up the front. All right, let's go. Let's have this. Woo. Hi, Sean.
Hey, so we're 1 kilometre in on 50. 49
What's
to go.
he doing? Lucas, stop doing that. Honestly, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Oh. Oh. Thank you. Look, all these people are way ahead of us. Go on, Sam. Good job. Look at him, professionals. Look at them go. Oh, man on a bike, that's cheating. Look at them all. Woo woo. Good job, you lot.
Thank you.
Well done. Getting tired now. Not sure how far we've done. It's hard work. Oh, round the roundabout. Hello. GoPro on my head. We're about 3k in, taking a little walk, but shh, don't tell anyone that I'm walking. It's good though. It's nice. Fun run. There's no fun in run, that's for sure. Whoop. That's cheating. You can't have a motorbike. Yeah, baby. Woo. So, I found a trick. This side is where they're running. This side is a 3k walk. Join the walk. No one knows. It's good, isn't it? Look, just a little stroll. Morning. How is everything? Are you enjoying your 3k walk? I found a trick though. Look, here, you just have to run. As soon as you stop over here, look at that. It's crazy, isn't it? Anyway, bye. Sunrise, Phuket, lovely. Here it is, the end. I think we get a medal. I think we get a medal. Oh, we get a medal. Cap con cap, thank you, sir. Woo woo! Lucas is having it. Sean there. He's going to win. He beat me. You're going to win, Sean. You've done it well. Lean in, lean in. Oh, good job, mate. How you feeling, buddy? Tired. Tired. Good job. Well done, you two. Good job, Sean. Well done.
Off to work now, baby.
Hello, still got energy. Look at them go. Woo! That's cold.
So Nat said she was going to run, but I saw her stopped at immigration the whole time. I think you're getting the passport cleared.
Did you go to immigration?
No!
Sure.
Sure.
Good job, team. Well done. Lucas is tired, so I'm going to film him. It's always good to film people when they're tired. Do you want to go fishing today? Are you going to go spear fishing or line fishing? Yeah. Are you sure? I think line fishing might be the better option today. Because you sit there and do nothing. No? All right. Can I come? No? All right, thanks. You've missed it. It's finished. You're late. Come on. That's cheating. Honestly, ladies. Can't believe it. Right, Sean, 5k's done. Final word before you get your driver to drive you home, and some of us have to drive themselves home and then go to the office.
You still doing the push-ups and sit-ups later?
Yeah, push-ups and sit-ups.
Peace out, man.
All right, thanks for coming, Sean. Bye. Some of us have to drive ourselves home, but Sean gets a whole minibus to himself. Look at him, a whole minibus to himself. It's like the Queen of Sheba, he is.